I got this camera this morning, the MC-L12B, and I have to get access to the UART port. So I made this rig because the very tiny pads you have to solder, it's not for me. So what I did is make this rig, use 2mm piano wire, and they are pushing against these small pads. And after this I will put some hot glue on it so it is stable and it won't move anymore. And this is how I access the UART port. So it's a little bit hard to see, but maybe you can see how it is made. So I use standoffs and just figure out how much of how high it must be, but we are all engineers, so this is my rig. I hope that it works. I think so. Why not?